to all my Love and Light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. This here is green, and in today's video we're going to be doing unboxing Birchbox for September versus October. So I think I got my good screenshot for a thumbnail there. So let's go ahead and check out the first box. This is September's box. That's what the cover looks like. They always come with these cards, and the nice thing about Birchbox is they include the price of the full-size product. So the first thing in here is by Kiehl's, a Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. So that's really nice. I love Kiehl's. I use their under eye cream. Anyway, this is the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. The full size retails for $32. And it says botanical oils, squalene and evening primrose dissolve stubborn makeup and grime as this cleanser lathers from an oil to a milk. Massage 3 to 4 drops onto dry skin and then rinse. So that's really awesome. Always looking for a good makeup remover. The next thing in here is by Eau Thermale Avene Clearance Expert. Cleanance Expert Soin Emulsion. Sorry about the reflecting there. There we go. This says this lightweight treatment simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies, all while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. Ooh, so that might be good for me. I've been having problems lately. I think it's because of my stress and maybe the seasonal change. If you guys haven't noticed, I gained like 30 pounds in the past 4 months or so. I've never weighed this much in my life. My mom says that I look healthier now, but I can definitely feel it. I've went up about 2 pant sizes, so a lot of my pants don't fit anymore. I've been giving them to my dad. But anyways, this says the lightweight treatment simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies, so I already said that, while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. Let's actually open it up and see what it looks like. There it is, a cute little tiny bottle. Sorry about the glare, guys. So anyway, that's that. The next thing in here is by Stila. I love Stila brand. I love their products. This is actually an all-day liquid lipstick in the shade Patina Shimmer. This creamy liquid lipstick is a shimmering dusty rose shade, glides on like a gloss, yet lasts and lasts like a stain. So that's really awesome. Let's see if we can get a swatch out of it. And this hand is full. Let's just go ahead and there you go. That's pretty cool. You can't really tell that it's on, except that it gives an extra high shine. So the next thing in here is by Jour d'Automne. I think I'm actually reading the same description in another language, and that sounds like French to me. It's actually a smoothing balm. So let's see. Oh, it's by number 4. Jour d'Automne Smoothing Balm. That is the name. Prep damp strands with this styling cream, which contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz, give touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. So that'll be really great for my mom. We had just colored her hair a few weeks ago, kind of this dark burgundy shade. A little bit darker than my lips. And this is actually pretty tacky, sticky. It does leave a little transfer. So this next thing I was really excited about, and it is by This Works, and it's a deep sleep pillow spray. The full size retails for $29. Clinically proven to aid a good night's rest, this calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray onto your pillow right before bed. You want to get down, boy? Okay, mommy's done. Say bye. We'll see you a little bit. We'll see you in the next one. Look for more videos coming soon of green. Okay, there you go. So that was it for my September box. Let's go ahead and compare it to October's. There's October. Here's the little sheet that it comes with. And I've actually received one of these before. This is the Murad Clarifying Cleanser. And I believe I have it, yep, right here. So I've received this before. And it must have been a few months ago because they had sent it again, and I'm pretty sure it's from the same Birchbox. Clarifying Cleanser, the retail value of the full size is $30. Calms breakouts with this face wash that removes dirt, grime, and oil from your skin thanks to salicylic acid and antioxidant-rich green tea. Massage onto damp skin and then rinse. So I'm going to have to try this out. I have been hooked to my Dermalogica. I really love that. It's not a soap, but it cleanses. There's different products of that brand. Makeup remover, a toner that I use, some face masks. I really love it, and so I've been using those religiously. The next thing in here is by R&Co. Acid Wash AVC Cleansing Rinse. The full size retails for $32. It says detoxify your scalp with this pre-shampoo treatment made with apple cider vinegar extract to break down product buildup. Apply and massage, leave on for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinse. Now I've never tried a pre-shampoo product before, and I do suffer from allergies really bad, so one thing I noticed transitioning from fall into winter is my skin gets really dry, including my scalp, so maybe we'll have to give this a try and see if that it helps and makes a difference. The next thing is by Malin and Goetz. Malin and Goetz. Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. The full size retails for $50. It says filled with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, which I love. Everybody should love hyaluronic acid because it plumps your skin and fills in your fine lines. It says this lightweight oil-free moisturizer gently hydrates without clogging pores. Use in the morning alone or before makeup. Awesome, awesome. The next thing in here is a hydrating serum by Air Repair, and I actually love Air Repair. Let's see if I can find this in here. I had received this in one of my boxes. It's just a complex boosting moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, and it still has a little bit left, but I liked it so much that I went ahead and ordered the full size, and this was from Birchbox. I believe this was $20 for the 2 fluid ounces. I haven't gotten into this tube yet, but I love it so much. Looking forward to using that. So this would probably be a great product as well. This says Air Repair Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum. Full size retails for $26. Your skin will drink up the serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops to face and neck. And this is a super tiny sample, but only 2 to 3 pumps. 2 to 3 pumps. And on here it says 2 to 3 drops, so it might last about a week, depending. And the very last thing in my October Birchbox is this Lissy Waitier waterproof eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. Lissy Waitier Intense Waterproof Eyeliner Blackest Black. Full size retails for $24. No matter if you prefer a thin line or a bold cat eye, this ultra black waterproof pencil glides over your lash line and waterline without tugging your skin. Awesome. So I've tried a lot of the cheaper drugstore brands for getting into your waterline, and I've had some issues with them coming off very quickly because they didn't stay in the waterline. So I'm actually struggling to do this because I'm looking in the camera here, but I think you guys get the idea. It's not coming off as black as it is on my hand. There it is, the top swatch there. But I'm sure if I go over it a few times, you'd get the idea. It actually looks really nice. I've seen a lot of beauty gurus be able to do the waterline with one hand, and I just cannot do it. I've also seen Jeffree Star take like a beauty blender and he pulls down his lid with the beauty blender to avoid messing up his foundation and highlighter. So that is actually really hard to get in there with my camera, but I really do like it. That'll be awesome if it is waterproof like it says. One of the things that I do after I use any of my products is I tend to wipe them off either on a pad or my hand afterwards, because it's a habit that I have. So anyways, that's it for this video, you guys. It's my Birchbox unboxing, September versus October. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I enjoyed reading each and every single one of your comments. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. Green's over there playing. I'm sure he says bye also. We'll see you in the next one.